Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Me is Makeup. This video is my first question, which will be, what's your favorite drugstore affordable brand? Like for me, I love NYX Cosmetics, one of my favorite, but it was like from a few years because it was easy for me because I used to work as a seller online, a makeup seller online, so easy to access. But now it's kind of hard to find it. I have to go for online seller and order it. But like now I love Maybelline, especially Maybelline Superstay. I love Maybelline stuff. And also I begin to love Catrice, especially foundations, concealers, and highlighters. So these are the stuff that I use from Catrice Cosmetics, and mascara. Mascara is so good too. So like first one is NYX Cosmetics, and on the second Maybelline and Catrice. So there are three, but I just love to go back and forth between those. If I find NYX like with affordable price here, of course I'm gonna have it, but it become a little bit expensive comparing to other brands. So yeah, going to Maybelline and Catrice and easy to find here in Egypt. Like if I want something really like now, I just go and grab one of these brands and I'll be so happy. So yeah, Maybelline and Catrice. So this is for this question. So let's go to the next one in the next video, and I'm gonna see you soon.